What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a good time. You see, when I say that welcome back guys, it's just so good to be back. Like, it's so crazy that it's been over 6 months since I last made this kind of video. It's been over 7 months actually, over 7 months since I last uploaded a video on this channel. I upload shorts and but my major tutorials, it's been over 7 months. I've gotten a lot of calls, a lot of messages like I've abandoned you guys. Nah, I did not. Wait, let me drink water because I'm coming. There's so many things to talk about. I just need to drink water to just calm down first. Okay, carefully. Remember I told you guys that I do not sew clothes for individual. My previous business strategy is different. I don't sew clothes for individual people. That's why you don't see my videos online, you don't see my pictures online, you don't see my designs online. For the past 5 years that I've been on YouTube, you don't see my designs online, right? I told you guys, if you can still recall, I don't sew for individual. My business plan is very, very simple. Even though I have a non-disclosure agreement with my clients as of then, but most of the bigger brand in Lagos, in Abuja, I sew clothes for them. That was what I did previously. So those are not my design because it's under a non-disclosure agreement. That's what I do. I work for big brand. I have the factory, I have the resources, I have the knowledge, I know how to make a good clothes and a good finishing. So that's my business. So early last year, 2023, I decided to go into the whole business of fashion, right? I decided to set up a brand. So I started up my own brand. You cannot say that you've not seen this. It's been 1 year since I started pushing this, and I can assure you that you've seen this either on Instagram or on Pinterest or on TikTok. I pushed it with the magnificent, with the, so much of the effort that I'll teach you how to do all of this. That's what I do here. So for the past 7 months, I've been grinding on this. I started to do individual business, like let me build a brand, let me see how it works, let me structure a brand, let me see the whole process of building a brand. So ever since last year, I started working with individual. You know, I make an outfit. I started selling to individual people. Started making like this how this thing work, this how this thing work. I've learned so many things. I've learned a lot of things about branding. I've learned a lot of things about building a fashion store. I've learned a lot of things about the psychology of people working into a fashion store, how they can decide on where to buy, how to buy the products, the whole thing about the measurements and charts. I've made extreme amount of mistake. I've disappointed a lot of people and I've made up with a lot of people. It's a lot of things, and I figured that I cannot be doing YouTube and at the same time doing this thing at the same time. I need to create a system, I need to create a policy, I need to create a work. There's so many things. God damn it. I feel like I'm free lately. I feel like I've gotten to a point whereby the system that I set up is gradually working. You understand? Like, it's gradually, not that it's working, it's gradually working to a certain point. So I feel like I can come back here and share the things that I've done that have worked for me, right? I feel like I could come back now and tell you more about this world that I've just explored. It's crazy and I'm still exploring, right? All of these things are, a lot of people have called me like, I want to join your class, I want to do this, I want to pay for this, and I could not even respond because my head is just full. Imagine like 50 clients calling you at the same time, like this, I paid for this, you have to, God, I cannot undo my chat. Like, all of these things, these are the things that I've learned, and these are the things that I have to like come back here and teach and show you guys. Likewise, I will still go back into my tutorials. I will still be doing my tutorials. I'll be teaching about branding and psychologies of customers and things like that. There's so many things I need to talk about as I'm back here. So good to be back. So good to be back. So fucking good to be back. I should do like a live stream. I will do that soon. So good to be back. So if you're watching this video and you have a particular video request on making money as a fashion designer, the ready-to-wear aspect of everything about this is ready to wear. All this structure is ready to wear, right? If you have a question about it, if you have a question about branding, you have a question about factory policy, you have a question about making money as a fashion designer, all of these things, you can drop your comments below and I'm going to start making a video on your request. Also, if you have a tutorial, you want me to do a particular design, if you're on our Telegram group, go ahead and drop the picture or the video, so I will start more of my tutorials. This is another startup. Like, I'm starting afresh, totally afresh. That other place is a totally different place. I can assure you, a totally different world, extremely different world, I can assure you. So we are back to this. So good to be back. It's November. I'm like, this year must not go without me coming back. Like, it's crazy. So good to have you guys back. If you have any comments, just drop it below. Let's get back and let's keep the ball rolling. God bless you. I'm glad my videos has helped a lot of you people. I'm so glad. I just feel good about it. Thank you so much for watching. To those that have been waiting, thank you as well for waiting. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. So let's keep the ball rolling. I'm back. It's crazy. I'm back. I'll start more of my tutorial, more video on the business. The business of fashion is so wild. You'll be amazed at how big it is. So many things you could do, so many things you can do. So those that are part of my ready to wear class, I talk about, even though it's not practical, I talk about some nuances that you have to pinpoint and follow. So many things you can do in the fashion industry and you can make money on it. I've done it. It's fucking amazing. You get it? So that will be about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you want to know my past, go ahead and watch the previous video. I teach about everything that I've done. The whole complete making of an outfit, suit to traditional to kaftan to boxers. I've made a tutorial about it. So go ahead and watch it and I will see you on the next video. Do have a lovely rest of the day. And to the end, salute. Bye-bye.